Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video I will show you how to change your Namecheap DNS servers. Now this is fairly simple tutorial, so let's get started. All you have to do is you have to log in into your account, go to your domain list right here, and from your domain list what you will need to do is you will need to go and manage on a domain. For example, this is going to be our domain that we're going to be managing. So click manage here and then go to domain here and then go here to custom DNS or Namecheap basic DNS. So if you're using Namecheap basic DNS, then all you have to do is you will have to put in the name servers. I will show you right here. As you can see, you will have to put a name servers, right? Or if you're using Namecheap basic DNS, that just means that your domain is on Namecheap. Now, if you want to use custom DNS, let's say your domain is on Namecheap, but your your hosting is somewhere else, right? Then what you can do is you can put your hosting server names right here, right? And this will look like this. So if we scroll down, you can see here that you can have custom DNS, and then here you can put ns1 nameserver.com. Now this is just an example, right? But if you're, for example, hosting a website on GoDaddy, then you will have to put in GoDaddy name servers right here, right? If you're hosting it on HostGator, then you will have to put HostGator .com right here. And each of those hosting platforms has their own DNS, so make sure to know that before doing anything else. So that's pretty much how to do it. That's how to change your Namecheap DNS servers. If you have any questions or comments, comment down below, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.